Hey, what's up guys, it's Abidi from Sockpicks. As you know, I use widgets a lot on my iPhone. So in this video, I will show you a very simple and useful widget. But this is an app widget. What I mean to say is this is an app called Web Widget. So Web Widget app allows you to have any of your favorite websites directly on the home screen of your iPhone. This app shows you a preview of your websites. It's pretty simple to set this widget. So just open the app, tap on plus icon. Now type or paste any website URL you want to set as a widget. Then select the portion you want to see on a widget. Then type on save over here. After that, you will get a preview of how your widget will look in large and medium size. Then tap on done. Now your website is saved over here. Now go to home screen, then go to jiggle mode, tap on plus icon, then go to web widget, select which size of widget you want, that is large or medium size. Now your web widget is set to use. If you tap on the widget, it will take you to the website you have. Also, by tapping and holding here, you can go to the edit widget option and select the website that you want from the list if you have more than one website saved over here. You can also enable or disable a bottom bar button. Basically, it shows you the title of the website and how many seconds ago the website has been updated. As you see, I have set refresh rate to 10 minutes. You can set refresh rate from 10 minutes to 2 hours. It will basically display the website right here on the widget. So that's all for this video. Link of the app will be pinned in the comment. So go ahead and check it out. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.